Hi, I'm Elise Myrons, co-founder and CEO of Tenax AI. I've spent 15 years working across sustainability and climate roles. I have a Bachelor's of Science and Master's of Science spanning across forestry, environmental science, and social and behavioral psychology. So Arun has a master's and PhD in applied machine learning and has spent 15 years building software products. He spent the last 7 years leading product at a technology company building deep tech solutions for the motor insurance industry. So we are building hyper-personalized property risk assessment, prevention, and ongoing monitoring software. And what it does is it enables a few different stakeholders, including property insurers, inspectors, and owners, to understand and manage risk at the individual property level. The MVP of our product is live, and we are about to launch our first pilots. Our pilots are in the state of California, which is our first market, and they're focused on wildfire, which is the first hazard that we are tackling. Over this next 6 to 12 months, our focus is on commercialization of our product and bringing it to market, launching additional pilots, and building additional relationships and launching our product with insurers and property inspectors as well.